What you're watching is the Elite Intel Assistant in action. This is not a curated guide tour, this is mostly raw footage, with some minor exceptions where I cut out long jump sequences.
Calculated route with profit of 51,706,048 credits. Ask me to navigate to next trade station.
Take me to the next trade station.
Certainly.
The assistant is there when needed. When it is not needed, it's quiet. That is by design.
Travel to HIP 102,132. Visit Antonov City and pick up food harages. And sell at ICZ DGXB 1 4-star system. Yamashita's treasure port. Route set.
Let's go.
Affirmative. Jumping to SOAR already. Fuel is available. Preparing for FTL.
A lot has changed since the early days of this project. I started documenting the development with live streams, not expecting much. Yet some of those streams were watched by over 1,000 people. That wasn't something I anticipated.
We are en route to SOAR. An M-class star.
Back then I was feeling my way through LLM integration without really knowing what I was doing. My assumptions about the technology were wrong in almost every direction.
Arrive at SOAR. S waypoint Gala Wu. Star Class M. Fuel available. We have 12 jumps left to destination.
I did not know that offline operation was even possible. I did not know about local speech-to-text models. I did not know which LLMs were suitable for this kind of work or how to run them locally at all. The early performance reflected that. Cloud-only, slow, clunky, seconds of wait time per response. Jump to next waypoint.
Of course. Jumping to Gala Wu. Fuel is available. Preparing for FTL.
Today you can see for yourself what it looks like when the pipeline is dialed in. Showing the work in progress publicly is a double-edged sword. On one side, it gets the app in front of the people early.
En route to Gala Wu. M-class star. Fuel available. We are en route to a TTS star class system called ICZ DGXB14, and there is no fuel available at the next stop.
Some of them try it, hit a problem, and report back. That feedback shapes the code in a way I would not have found on my own.
Reminder: travel to ICZ DGXB14. Yamashita's treasure to sell the freight.
Navigation?
Certainly.
Exit?
On it.
Optimize our approach speed.
Right away.
On the other side, some people try it, hit a problem, and disappear. Perhaps they post somewhere where I do not follow, or they just move on. I never find out what went wrong. That is the reality of a young open source project. But some commanders did reach out, and I want to acknowledge them here because the app you're seeing now exists in part because of what they told me. Commanders Ed Levice and Levi Wilson suggested Whisper as an alternative to cloud-based speech recognition. Whisper did not stick. It struggled with short utterances. But that suggestion proved that building and packaging a local model with the app was viable. It put me on a path that eventually led to Parakeet. And the Parakeet idea came from Commander Gorilla Gardner. It is what the app uses today. Commander Nutball reported that the left and the right modifier keys were not being distinguished. He was right. The JVM does not differentiate them by default. It took a while to solve. By the time it was working, Nutball moved on. Drop.
Affirmative.
But this app executes a key combination for you today, such as left shift plus A versus right shift plus A. That fix exists because Nutball contacted me on Matrix and told me about it.
You are approaching an Imperial facility. Please follow all docking regulations and fly safely.
Request docking.
Affirmative.
Ensure to observe Starport protocol during your visit, my lord.
Docking request granted.
Welcome to Imperial Sovereign Territory. We have demonstrated shut down system.
Commander Dawn Trader deserves a particular mention. He runs an immersive setup on Windows, which matters because I am on Linux. He tested the Windows installer, the updater, and shared his private gameplay with me.
Sold 816 units of food cartridges for 606,288 credits. Buy bauxite, lepidolite, scrap, sell at LP 81660. Garrett Landing Port.
Drop.
On it. Dropped out of Supercruise and threat level is low. Recon confirmed for Lamont. Source sites found.
Watching someone else use the app was genuinely uncomfortable, but in the best way. Navigation?
Of course.
Exit?
Right away.
Night vision. Night vision?
Aye.
The mic behavior in particular was different on Windows, and the audio routing was different. Navigate to mission provider.
Of course. There's one mission provider for Lamont. Plotting route to HIP 32,127. When you get there, look for factions targeting Lamont at local ports. Route set.
Enter Supercruise.
Right away. Preparing for Supercruise.
He was used to single-word commands from voice attack, and at that time the app was not good at those. On top of that, the app would not understand the garbled input and fall back to help section, telling some random fact of how to use it. That was super cringe. I have removed that feature entirely that same evening. Watching his footage is what pushed the parakeet model and the tuning towards the short utterances. That is why you can say modules and the app navigates to the modules tab. Fire groups?
Certainly.
All night vision and it toggles. One word. No sentence required. That came from watching Don Trader. Modules?
Of course.
From his honest input and suggestions. Exit?
Right away.
Drop?
Of course. Dropped out of Supercruise. Threat level is medium.
Deploy hardpoints?
Affirmative.
These early adapters did not just report bugs, they steered the project.
I see all.
Contact legal target deadly. Wanted. Bounty roughly 200,000 credits.
You have anything of value?
Cargo scan detected.
No cargo. Useless drag.
Cargo scan detected.
I see all.
What treats do you carry?
Contact mission target deadly. Wanted.
Target engines.
Roughly 300,000 credits. Of course.
Maximum power
What
to
troops do
weapons.
you carry?
What's in your cargo hold?
Cargo scan detected.
There's nothing worth my one here.
Of course.
The people who show up early take a chance and give honest feedback instead of posting it into the void. Those are the people who are worth more than they probably realize. I am grateful to them.
What treats do you carry?
You have no chance now.
Let's see what you are carrying.
Let's see what you are carrying. What do you have in your cargo hold? What are you hauling?
Let's see what you are carrying.
I can see what I'm outmatched.
Cargo scan detected.
How do you fools make a living?
Cargo scan detected.
No cargo. Waste of time.
The app is still in beta.
Die now. Wretched.
It will stay there until I'm confident enough to tag a release as a version 1. Power to
The scan will
weapons.
soon be over.
Do you have anything of value?
On it. Mission kill confirmed. 281,296 bounty claimed.
But looking back at where it started, the distance it has traveled, it's not something I expected. How many kills remain on our missions?
Contact mission target master. Wanted. Bounty roughly 90,000 credits. There are 8 kills remaining to complete our missions, including 2 for Gold Allied Code, 2 for State PLC, and 4 more for Zeta Zeta Group.
What do you carry?
The scan
Target
will soon be
engines.
over.
Cargo.
How do you fools make a living?
Certainly.
Hostiles. Great. How is this happening?
Mission kill confirmed. 310,739 bounty claimed.
Later on this month there might be 2 special videos, one on my channel for Linux users and one on Don Trader's channel for Windows users, covering the local LLM setup. the brain of the app. I will link to his channel from my GitHub when it is ready. For now, the work continues.
Route set.